Hello everyone, my name is Lucinda Lindstrom, and I am, as Janet said, the president of the Shedd Teen Council. I feel so honored to be here today celebrating the creation of the Mortgage Family Lakeside Learning Studios. I've been coming to the aquarium all my life, and I've been on the Teen Council for 5 years. I first visited Shedd on a field trip when I was 6 years old. My class entered the oceanarium, and my eyes roved along the gigantic body of a beluga whale. Our eyes locked, and something clicked into place inside me. I returned to the aquarium many times, and when I was 13, I discovered the Teen Learning Lab. At that time, it was simply a place to work on homework and sometimes participate in an impromptu sea star dissection. I became a regular. When I was invited to join Teen Council, it was a small group of teens gathered to advise Shedd's learning staff on the creation of new youth programs. Over the 5 years since, I have watched it grow into a group of more than 30 passionate young people who care about the environment and who take charge to make their community a better place. I came to Shedd feeling a lot of climate anxiety, and joining forces with other teens gave me hope. I've had countless opportunities through Shedd. I was on a team that received grant money from NOAA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, to build a community compost site between 2 neighboring schools on the south branch of the Chicago River and teach their students proper recycling and composting practices. At the end of that project, the administrator of NOAA, Dr. Richard Spinrad, asked to meet with our team to discuss the role of youth in environmental protection. It made us feel recognized as people with something to add, something valuable to offer this field. It made us feel recognized. I also had the opportunity to meet Dr. Sylvia Earle, a prominent oceanographer, the first female head of NOAA, and the first woman to walk on the ocean floor. She spoke avidly of deep sea mysteries and of how much is left for us to discover. In my junior year, I got my first job at Shedd as a staff member, where I get to use all that I have learned to engage with aquarium visitors. When we formed the first Teen Council board in 2022, I was elected vice president and worked to increase Shedd's outreach to teens across Chicago so that other youth like me could benefit from the same opportunities. This past year, I had the honor of serving as the president of Teen Council. Together, we created a newsletter to reach out to the community, led a series of workshops on climate change, and planned and executed a day of dune education and restoration on 12th Street Beach. Shedd taught me how to turn passion into action and use science to educate my community and conserve nature. I've made connections with both peers and professionals in the field that I will foster my whole life. I'm not exaggerating when I say that Shedd is a second home to me. I'm now 18 and off to college to get my degree in marine science. This moment is... Thank you. So this moment is bittersweet for me because I'm leaving Teen Council, but I know that with the momentum we've built, it will continue to grow and become a home for many generations of young people to come. I will be forever grateful to Shedd for investing in me. By building this learning space, we're expanding our commitment to youth voices. Fostering a love of the natural world in the next generation creates a brighter future for our planet. Environmental education has been a joy for me, but it's also a necessity. My wish for teens is that they visit this learning space and something clicks into place inside them. I hope they use their learning here to become environmental stewards all their lives. I hope they meet friends and mentors who share their interests, and like me, they are inspired by their teammates and imbued with hope and energy to act for the future of our planet. Thank you.